Hey guys, welcome to TinoTech Hacks. If today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with your friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a password on a Word document and also how to restrict other people from editing your Word document. So you can create a Word document and then you can prevent people from editing it, or you can prevent people from opening it without a password. Because if the person doesn't know your password, your document is secure. But if the person knows your password, your document can be opened. So without wasting much time, let's quickly delve into our lesson for today. Follow me as I show you. Alright, so after creating my document, I'll go to File. Then I will go to Info. At Info, you're gonna see Protect Document, Check for Issues, and then Manage Document. So you're gonna click on Protect Document. Now, when you click on Protect Document, you're gonna see Always Open Read Only. Prevent accidental changes by asking readers to opt in to editing. Then we have Encrypt with Password. Password protects this document. Then we also have Restrict Editing. Control the type of changes others can make to this document. We also have Restrict Access. Grant people access while removing their ability to edit or copy or print. Then we also have Add Digital Signature. Ensure the integrity of the documents by adding an invisible digital signature. The last one is Marks as Final. Let readers know the document is final. Okay, because of time and because of what we want to do, we are only going to work with this. Encrypt with password. And then we can also maybe restrict editing access. People can have access to the document, but we can still restrict them. This one, unless you are connected to a management server where many people are working on the same document, then you can use that if you need to use it. This one, you add a signature to the document. All right. So let's go and then add a password to our document. So we will come here, Encrypt with Password. Now it says encrypt the content of this file. So I'm going to put a password here. So I can say my password is 123456. I click OK. Then I go there again, 123456. Then I click OK. From today onwards, anybody who is supposed to open this document needs to enter the password 123456 before the person can get access. If not, forget it. Let's see another thing there. We have restrict editing. So here, when I come here and I click, you will see restrict editing, formatting restricting. So when I click on limit formatting to a selection of style, nobody would be able to edit this document. All right, but I don't want to go there. I only want us to put this particular password. So now this document has been locked forever. Let's go and try to open the document to see if it is going to work or not. So I'm going to close it here. I save it. Okay guys, so this is the document on my screen. We want to open this document to see if it is possible. So I'll just double click on the document. Now when you double click on the document, it says enter password to open this document. It means if you don't have the password, you cannot open this document. Anyway, let me try some random password and see. 113256. I hit enter. It says the password is incorrect. Word cannot open the document. All right. So this document cannot be opened. until the person who wants to access your document figures out what password was used to open or to lock this document. So let me just use the right password, which is 123456, and then hit enter. And then it says the author would like you to open this as a read only, because I made a change that nobody would be able to edit this document. So when I click yes, it means I can only read it, but nobody will be able to edit it. But when I click no, I can make edits to it. So that's how documents are being locked. Let me try it again with another document. I have another document here, which is this one, company name 1. All right. So I will go to file, I will go to info, I will go to protect document, then I come to encrypt with password, then I put a password 1234. I click OK, then I repeat the password 1234. I click OK. The document is locked. Now when I want to open it, I have to go back there, double click, and then I have to put the password 1234. Then I click OK. Then the document opens for me directly. So this is how you can put a lock on your Word document and nobody can have access to them. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. If today is your first time, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to put a comment. See you another time. Bye bye.
I'll rise up and shine. Take my chance, no matter the circumstance. I'll embrace the dance. I don't want to from stop to it. Alright, from grace to strength.